All right, I am recording this. It is 4:45. We're going to head outside because I looked out the window and it's really dark. I don't think the camera's picking it up, but it's really dark and it's very stuffy and warm. It's not fresh at all. And there's the house. There's a lot of clouds. And it is raining though. See the clouds? It's raining in other parts of San Antonio. I'm in Tanglewood off of 1604 and I-10. And I don't see any rain. It might rain possibly tonight. But it is amazing. Anyway, y'all have a great evening. Let's see what time it is. It is 4:45. It's gonna be 5, and it's dark. It really does look dark, but it doesn't come out like that dark in the camera. I'm gonna head inside. Come on, boo-boo. Head inside because possibly it might rain. Who knows? Anyway, have a great day. Rock and roll.